Baby Doge Coin is super bullish still. Look at this, baby. Look at this upside. Wow. This green candle is awesome. Look at this. This baby is not stopping now. But I think we're going to see some reversal. Looking at crypto bubbles also on the top 100 coins, it seems as if today the market is looking not good. It's not looking good because almost every coin is not doing well except CKB. I'm talking from the top 100 coins. From what we are seeing right now against Bitcoin, nothing is really doing that great against Bitcoin. So let's see. This actually is against USDT. So let's look against Bitcoin. I would love to look at this against Bitcoin. So against Bitcoin, yeah, these are the ones that are doing well. The ones in green, of course, it's not that significant, but CKB is actually doing well. If we go to the top 200 coins, we can see that Nero is not stopping anytime soon. Let me stay on the daily time frame. I think, okay, yeah, on daily time frame, Nero is not stopping. Baby Dogecoin is not stopping as well for the day. It's up 34%. Let's look at the top 300 coins. Let's see which ones are there. Saga. Let's see also the top 400 coins. You can see Bobo, Dust, um they are among the coins that are doing well. So if we look at um coins that are not within the top 100 or top 200 coins in the crypto space, we can see that they are really doing well. And the top 500, you can see that they are also doing well. Oh boy, you are welcome back again on Demeton's Crypto. Always here with you guys to share what is going on in the market. Let's look at Algorand. Let's look at CSPR crypto, Reef Crypto, crypto bubbles, all this good stuff. We're gonna go deeper into analysis. Look at possible entries. Look at take out profit zones. Yeah, so we have to prepare. Be prepared for what is coming in the future. I believe the alt season is just at the corner, and I know we are gonna make some huge gains. September hasn't always been a good month for cryptocurrency because if Bitcoin is not doing anything serious, then altcoins are not gonna do anything serious as well. But there are gonna be one altcoins that are gonna be doing something good, like maybe Dogecoin. So you're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome. I can see you guys watching on X. I can see you guys watching on Facebook. I can see you guys watching on YouTube. You guys are awesome. It's always good to have you here. Do share right now. I haven't even shared this live to my community. So guys, just give me some time right now, quickly. I want to share this quickly to my community so they can have it. I'm just gonna share it on Telegram. Nothing that serious. So maybe there are some people who want to join the live stream, but they are not aware of the fact that I'm already live. So maybe they can join from Telegram. Let me just go quickly there and share it right now so they can join us. But guys, today's show is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, so let's dive into it right now. Um, I'm looking at Baby Dogecoin. Let me just share my screen with you guys. So let me share my screen quickly with you guys. Yeah, so I'm looking now at the Dogecoin, on the daily time frame. I know we have looked at this chart before, and we have had conversations about where I think price might go to, blah blah blah. But let me bring in a different chart because I think we're working before with OKX, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we're working before with OKX, and oh boy, before this movement to the upside, you see, I drew this Fibonacci retracement tool, and price almost get there before this next leg to the upside. Now, I have already marked zones to you guys that like zones that I think maybe Dogecoin is gonna go to before we see major retracement. And when you see this type of vector candles, like huge candles like this, it means that at least one point they are going to bring back price to eat most of these vectors. Like what happened here, you see this huge move to the upside, and look at the downward trend, and price is doing the same thing right now for baby Dogecoin. So the right thing to say for baby Dogecoin is that at this point in time, you don't have to buy it. Like, don't buy it. If you're buying it right now, then you want to engage in the coin long term. So you want to be that person who is going to DCA this coin in a way that you're gonna make profit when price get to certain zones. Okay, because if say you are buying right now, it's not sustainable for you to buy. Like, I won't recommend you to go and buy baby Dogecoin right now because it's already pumped. You already missed it, yeah. So what you're gonna do is wait for pullback, and pullback is how I trade, or how I trade baby Dogecoin or any other coin out there. So if say you like got it here, then you can cash out some profit because I think it's up more than 1x already, and we still have more than 1x to go. This coin is going to make lots of people profit. Now, if this coin retraces back to where price started, like let's say you bought it and you cash out profit, if say it retraces back to this zone, you're going to be 30%. If it say it goes to this zone, you're going to be 40%. And can this happen? Yes, of course, it can happen in 1 day or in 2 days. We can see this. We can see a huge red candle eat all of this, profit that you have made. And if say we calculate how much you're gonna make back from this same downward trend, let's see, you're gonna surprise. You see, it's 60%, 65%. So you can lose 40% and make 65%. That's how it is. The amount you're gonna lose when price is going down is different from the amount you make when price is going up. Okay, because when price is going up, is adding liquidity in the market. There's more liquidity coming. It's different. I've always tried to trade in a way that, or to invest in a way that I take advantage more when price is dipping. Because when price is dipping, you buy at a discount rate. So this is just what I'm looking at for baby Dogecoin, and I think that if you guys also you are interested to like to trade baby Dogecoin, you want to be among those who make a lot of profit investing or trading baby Dogecoin, then you should follow the way I go about my stuff. You be patient. It's not going anywhere. And if say, like guys, I have to be honest with you now with what I want to say. Yeah. Now, if price break, if we just see baby Dogecoin, just pumping, like price is gonna do something like this. If price does something like this, goes up, then we want to take now the move serious, even though it's not sustainable. But I don't think it can happen. Even it can happen anyway, but we're gonna see a huge dip to the downside, and that's when you want to buy. But we can see something like this happen, you can see it happen like this, then it go up like this before it come back down at least. But looking at this structure, yeah, there's this is not it's not sustainable. Look, it's not okay. There's a lot of liquidity there that the market makers can come and grab it. That's why I'm saying you shouldn't buy baby Dogecoin now. Okay, for those of you who actually you are struggling, you don't understand what Dogecoin is all about. This coin is a meme coin, and it's one of the top meme coins in the crypto space. To me, based on my analysis, I believe in the future of this coin because they have utilities, they have use cases, they have maybe those swap, they have so many other stuff going on right now, gaming, Telegram gaming, and I think based on what they have been doing recently, they are on track to keep building more use cases around the project. If you don't build use cases around a particular coin, then you are only going to depend only on those who are going to buy it and sell, like traders or investors. But those who are going to use it on a daily basis can, let's say they want to buy coffee, they can go to the coffee shop and buy with baby Dogecoin. They can go to the groceries, to the shop and do groceries with the Dogecoin. So they can pay their taxes with the Dogecoin in the future. I mean, like if they keep building avenues where you can use the Dogecoin to actually do stuff, like with your debit card, or yeah, buy a flight ticket, pay for an event, I think what these guys are doing, they're building, use cases around Bobby Dogecoin, and they are going to be exactly as Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, these top meme coins, Dogecoin for that matter. Dogecoin doesn't really have like any proprietary use case except of the fact that Elon Musk is behind it and want to use it as a payment gateway, or yeah, payment gateway for X. I think many in the future, Dogecoin is going to be used for many stuff. But it's going to be adopted by many institutions. We also realize how last time Tesla was accepting Baby Dogecoin. I think if I'm not wrong, I think Tesla at one point was accepting Baby Dogecoins to do something. So this is very important. I want you guys to understand that when you are investing in a coin, you have to look at the development when it was launched. Don't be carried away by the coins that you have right now, the meme coins you have right now. Try to cash out the profit, and if you must keep DCing, keep buying a particular meme coin for long term, you have to understand that this meme coin is going to be there for a long time. Of course, because if we go right now to Baby Dogecoin chart, like, okay, if we zoom out, let's go and zoom out now so I can show you guys something I'm trying to explain here. So when you look at the bigger picture, look, let's just assume that this coin, when it was launched, down here, it pumped to the upside. So this was hype, right? It came down again and it pumped. This was hype. It came down again and it's pumped. This was still hype. Now, I've been doing videos. Go to my previous videos, guys. If you are honest with yourself, if you want to take my content serious, then you must go to my previous videos, particularly my previous videos on Baby Dogecoin. Go and look at what I mentioned about the zones here. The zone. And I even drew this, and I mentioned that price came here, it reject. Price came here, it pump, and price has come back there. So what we should expect is a pump, and we got this pump. It doesn't matter what happened before we got this pump. Something was always going to happen to see these pumps like this. And this time around, it was Binance listing. So this move now, we want to believe this move is sustainable, but because of the use case, because of what they are doing, I want you guys to say to yourself, if you're buying this coin right now and you're following my channel, you are going to be learning how to cash out profit when it's time to cash out profit. But it doesn't mean that when you cash out profit, you won't buy back again. You're gonna buy again at a discount rate or at a point where you know that it's about to pump again. That's why I'm here doing TA for anyone or everyone who is interested to learn the game. When you see a good project like Baby Dogecoin, you know, it doesn't mean that you buy that project and hold it forever. Like now, I have been honest with you guys saying that I sold my Baby Dogecoin when it was like, yeah, I sold it, yeah. I cash out my profit, yeah, and I stay away from it because I saw that price was gonna reject from this area, this zone. Yeah, I saw that, so I cash out profit immediately, and I've been waiting to see confirmation before I buy. And ever since, I didn't see confirmation until when I saw multiple rejection, yeah, and I talked about it to you guys. So I don't know what else you want to make you understand like what I'm trying to say. And this is not only about the Dogecoin, any coin that I talk about. So we're gonna look at some coins here that I think can really make us gain. Stop all coins that can really make us gains apart from Baby Dogecoin. But I had to focus on this so you guys should understand that I genuinely want to see you grow. I genuinely want to see you make profit. Investing or buying Baby Dogecoin long term. Now, another coin I want us to look at right now, if you guys, by the way, if you have any questions, you can post your questions. I'm gonna respond to you. I want us to look at this coin. This coin, next coin, is a killer coin, and many people are ignoring this coin. And yeah, they are ignoring this coin. This is gonna be one of those coins as well that which gonna make you so much gains. This is CSPR or Casper. Casper has been down, down, down. Doesn't mean that this guys, the project is fake, or they don't have a real use case. They have a real use case. This is a blockchain based project, but I think the only problem with this project is that they don't have a good marketing. If a coin is not pumping, it's not doing well, and they have good utility, the only thing you can say is that the marketing team doesn't know how to promote the project. Okay, but this project is one of my top project, and I think that we can see Casper go right up to about $2 per Casper. Last bull market it almost went to $1, and this current the next alt season, I think we're gonna see Casper go right up to $2. So where we are right now, I want to show you guys something. If we go to the lower time frame on Casper, what are you seeing? What are you seeing, my friends? If you understand, if you have followed my channel, then you can easily point out that we have multiple stopping volume candles here, multiple stopping volume candles here, multiple ones. You can see price is trying to respect structure to stay within this range, to be in this range, meaning CSPR Casper is preparing to make a huge move after this previous move. Remember what I told you guys when it comes to market structure on higher time frame, particularly on 4 hours, daily and weekly time frame. This was the structure that this bad boy created here, you know, doing this dump. Look at this zone here. It created this zone here, and this was the area where price should at least break to either direction. And what did happen? Price break above and make higher highs. And when price do break above and make higher highs, what are you waiting for next? You are waiting for pullback. And when you wait for pullback, or how will you know that price has gotten to a point where we're gonna, see pullback? You bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is a free tool, Fibonacci retracement tool. We plug it from the top there to the bottom. Give you these zones that I call important zones. Like the 382, the 0.5, the 0.618, the 0.786. If you want to see these zones, then go to these settings. This is how I set it. I check this, check this, check this, check this, check this. I check this, so you can screenshot my settings. You can apply it with any coin out there. Now look at what happened. Price got to that zone, and if you zoom out, you're gonna see that this zone was also a zone that price rejected before, but now it is acting as resistance. Before it was support, now it's acting as resistance. And from this resistance zone, it was but normal for price to reverse back. Now, when price do reverse back, what we don't want to see, guys, we don't want to see price to reverse and go and close below. Price must not go and close below like this. No, price must stay within that range, within this, this zone here, and this is what price has been doing. Meaning, we are about to pump for CSPR coin. Now, for those who are investors, good is a good place to buy. For those who are traders, this is also a good place to buy, but you have to trade this as a swing trader and use low leverage like 2x leverage, and you can put your stop loss down here, like right down here, because I don't think that price is gonna come right down there. We're looking at the 4 hours time frame, so this is a good trade, and you can just say your take profit is the previous high. That's simple. Now, also, if say I want to create another range here, I'm gonna do something like this so you guys see. I would have known what would have happened seeing this this retracement here. So I would have plugged in my fib now, like like take it from here to this previous high here, and it would have given me my zone. Now this is my zone. I want price to get back in this zone. So whenever I draw something like this, I want price to get back into this zone. And when price get back into this zone, and I see price do something like this, which you might look at here, something like this, that's when I'm buying. I'm buying. You can stay there. That's when I'm buying, and then take it right up to the upside or the previous high there. It makes sense. I can cash out first profit, then take to the second, to the third or the second take out profit zone. So CSPRO, if I look at the analysis on the 4 hours time frame, my friend, I can tell you that this coin will make you some gains. Trust me. We are talking about all coins that you can buy. Baby Dogecoin, CSPR coin is one of those coins you can buy. Don't rely only on a particular coin. Focus on coins that have the potential to make you gains, short term, long term. Look at the macro, level of the coin where it is. Look at the bigger picture. Is this coin capable, or does this coin have the potential to make me crazy gains? When you deduces, then my friend, you are going to be making good decisions when you invest in it or when you buy it. And now you can see, look at this candle is forming right now on CSPR. I believe this candle is going to take it to the upside. So that is that for CSP CSPR. So let's move to the next, which is Algorand. Algorand, I've been looking at Algorand like, the Algorand is one of those coins that can make us gain, of course. But I've been looking at Algorand on the weekly time frame, and I found something like this. And this is something I want you guys to see. I've already marked these zones here, and I told you um this was a zone where we should expect price to reject multiple times, and price have rejected this zone multiple times for Algorand. Now, when you see a chart like this on the weekly time frame, and you zoom out, you look at what price have done, look at what price did, and you also look at the fundamentals of that coin, then you see that, oh, this coin looks so good. The fundamentals look so good, the team looks so good, and now we are seeing retracement. And when we see like retracement, like what happened, we're gonna see pullback, and pullback must not come, and price must not do what I mentioned before, like close below. Price must stay above, this low here. Now, when you look at Algorand is respecting that structure. Is respecting price action. So if we go to the 4 hours time frame, now we can plug and see what is going on the 4 hours time frame. You can see we have this vector here, we have this vector here, and price has bounced from all of these zones. Now, if say we bring in our FIP, let's bring in our FIP to confirm what I'm trying to say here. If I take it from the bottom to the top there, give me my trading zone. And this was a golden pocket. Price bounced from this golden pocket before, you know, and now price has bounced there again. And price bounced there, price didn't go to make higher highs. So this is concerning for now I want to say Doge Coin for Algorand. But one thing I love here is that, if price is able to hold this area here, then maybe we can see a huge, like a next pump to the upside. But for us to really confirm that we are back, or we might go and create the next high for Algorand, is when price do something like this. Price must go up there, come back here, hold here, then move back to the upside. If price is not able to do something like this, then we might as well just come right down here and boom. So this is gonna be a bad entry. Let me not say this would have been as if it has happened. This will be a bad entry for you. So wait for confirmation. But if say you are an investor, again, I have to differentiate who you are: an investor, a trader. So if you are an investor, of course, if you look at the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, I would say buy it. Keep accumulating, if you are here for the long term. But if say you just want to trade, you just want to day trade this, you want to swing trade this, you want to protect yourself, you don't want to blow your capital, then this structure here must be respected. Price, haven't yet gone on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, to break and form the next high, but it has retraced back after this done. It has retraced back, but it hasn't come back to form lower lows. So this is important, looking at Algorand long term. And now, if we look at Algorand today on the 1 hour time frame, I would say that it's not sustainable. Like the setup is not that, great. But I have to bring in my alpha trend to give me a go ahead to see what is going on here. And also I can see that price is in a downtrend. Looking at the alpha trend, ever since the alpha trend created this sell signal, it has always been in a downtrend, except yeah, but it wasn't able to hold. So we are in a zone where I think Algorand is still down. So for day traders, if you want to trade this today, trader, what you should be looking at is more of a sell opportunity. But I don't do more of sales, I do more of buys. I sell only when I'm cashing out profits. I focus more on, so I'm more of the bull guy. And if say it gets to where I have to sell, I ignore it and get to the next coin, because there are so many of these coins out there that we can make real gains from. I already talked about Baby Doge Coin gone, yeah. And yeah. So you can, go, it was the first coin I talked about. Yeah. So the next coin I want us to talk about now is Reef Crypto. This coin was delisted from, I don't know if it was delisted on Binance, but we're gonna do quick analysis on Reef, and if we look at the daily time frame for Reef, you can see. Let me just go to the weekly time frame. So I want to show you something here. This dip here for Reef, this dip here that you saw. I think they had a problem. I don't know, maybe because it was being delisted from Binance, something happened, but we saw this huge buy back to the upside, and we can look at this on a daily time frame as well and see that what is going on with Baby Dogecoin is almost similar to what is going on right now with Reef Finance. And again, guys, it's simple. The way I trade, the way I invest is simple. Whenever you see a move like this with any coin, Baby Dogecoin, Floki Inu, Bitcoins, Solana, the first thing you do is you go to this FIP tool. And guys, this is a free tool on TradingView. If you don't yet have TradingView, go to my link tree. My link tree is found at the description of this video. Go there and scroll right down here to see, you will see join me on TradingView. This place is awesome. Click there and get TradingView. You can get TradingView for free. It won't cost you anything, and you can use it for free. Following the way I trade, okay, for free. And this is what you're gonna use, or this is how you're gonna use it. Let's go back um to Reef. You're gonna bring this tool is free. Click on it, take it from this bottom here, from where this move started to the top. The reason why you are doing this is because you are looking for a zone where price will retrace. And usually, when you see a massive pump like this, what price does is price retraces first to the to the 0.0 to the 0.382 line. This is the first line, this green line. The second one is this somehow purplish line, which is the zero point 0.5 zone, and the last zone, which is the golden pocket, is this zone, which is the 0.68 zone. And this one is just okay. If price come down here, it means that at least the market makers, they want to cash out all of their profit, or they want to make more profit by bringing it right down here. And this is the last zone that I look at, the 0.786 zone. Guys, if you do this, you're going to have a range that you are looking to trade, to get a trade. And if price break below this zone, you know that price has invalidated your range. It must go back to your range before you start looking at buy opportunity again. But now looking at Reef Crypto, I think that this is a buy coin. But for those who are investors, not those who are traders, for those who are investors, you want to invest in this coin, you look at this zone, gonna see pullback somehow soon, and you can keep DCA, 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 then you take it to the upside. I think Reef is a good project. I think they have a good community. If you look at yeah, it has already given us a go ahead that Reef is bullish, right? Because it has broken structure. Look at this. It has broken this structure, and now it is going towards this area where we are seeing this sell signal here. So I will say that, guys, if you really want to make profit in this game, I know we love to buy when we see that the market is pumping. I'm gonna recommend to you that you wait for pullback. Be patient enough. When you are patient, you're gonna get it at the right price. There's no reason for you to buy this coin where it is so risky right now. And the same thing I mentioned with Baby Dogecoin. When you are investing in Baby Dogecoin, you're investing in crypto, any coin out there, you must make sure you are having the best entry, or your entry is the best. So I know most of you are just joining me right now. We have been live and We have been talking about different crypto projects. We have talked about Baby Doge Coin, CSPR, Algorand. Now I'm talking about Reef Finance. I'm gonna be doing this every day. We look at what price is doing. How we can take advantage of price action. So if you ask me, I would say right now Reef Finance is a buy for investors, and the buy means you DCA, and for those who are traders, wait, don't rush to want to buy now. Wait for price to do what price does always. You can fall, or you can go to the 4 hours time frame. You can see on the 4 hours time frame we are in an uptrend. Price is staying above the alpha trend. So this is not sustainable. I mean, for traders, you can see a lot of liquidity here to be grabbed, and you can bring in your Fibonacci tool from here as well, from this top bottom here to the top, to give you your zones. So you can see these are your zones. Price will get there. Just be patient. Don't rush. Price will get there. To make the market to have a balance. But right now we have imbalance. Look at this straight week to the upside. We need to have some balance in the market. So if you have any question regarding any coin you want me to do, um I'm gonna do analysis on it, but I've done analysis already on CSPR. I've done it on Baby Doge Coin. You can go and watch the video if say you want to get that, or you want to to get that, or to see what I have done. All right, guys. If say there's no question, then we can call this a go for today. I'm gonna you know share some more project with you. I think tomorrow same time I want to be doing it early, so we come here and look at what is going on in the market. But again, as I'm doing analysis, I think let's just look at what Bitcoin has done quickly, because Bitcoin. Let me just see what Bitcoin is doing, so we can confirm what might happen. So this is Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, if I look at it on the 15 minutes time frame, after this huge pump to the upside, we're seeing retracement, which is very normal. So if we pull in the Fibonacci tool, let's see from here to here. Let's see. Okay, you can see, price is gonna respect structure. So I think what is going on with Bitcoin is just pull back on lower time frame, and if price respect this zone, you can see I already marked this range here. This is the range. If price keep respecting this range, then traders can really make huge profit from it or take advantage of it. All right, guys, this is it. I don't want to make this stream today to be so long. See you guys. Oh, I've been talking to you guys as if I like it's like I was showing you my chart, but I was just showing you my chart. So let's do this again. I was looking at Bitcoin and I thought I showed you guys my chart. So let me show you again. So this is what I was trying to explain here. Okay, we are Bitcoin. We are when you look at the higher time frame, like 4 hours time frame, you can see where we are right now. There's this range that I drew. Yeah, price has been respecting this range. Price this huge pump to the upside. Price came back, price held, and price has make higher highs again. It has come back and it has held around where the alpha trend pointed a sell signal. We haven't yet seen a buy signal. Maybe we're gonna see a buy signal soon on the 4 hours time frame, but this is important. So if we go to the daily time, the 1 hour time frame, you can see here these vector candles. What I have mentioned about vectors. When you see a vector like this, they're always gonna go to recover all of the vector candles, like what you're seeing now, and you can pull your fib here, from year to year to give you where they might push price. As you can see, the golden pocket is exactly where, oh boy, exactly where this green candle started. You can see it here. So this could be the zone where you get in to take the next ride to the upside. And I think that if you analyze Bitcoin like this, you can easily get into other altcoin. And again, if Bitcoin is not going to do well, then maybe Dogecoin and these other coins are going to sell their profit to Bitcoin. So this is what I wanted. I wanted you guys to see, to see. And those of you who are joining for the now, I've already talked about most of this project that you are seeing. Baby Dogecoin. I've talked about CSPR, Algorand, and Reef Crypto. And at this point, I'm gonna say goodbye and see you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.